To achieve this beautiful makeup depends heavily on this unique underpainting, and that is what I'm going to share to you guys in this video. Ever since I mastered the hack in underpainting, my makeup has always been so beautiful and so flawless, and a lot of my friends ask me,
how do you achieve your beautiful makeup within seconds?
But I'm here to share it to you guys for free. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and don't miss any part of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somi and I'm back with another interesting video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is to ensure your face is clean. So you're going to take a wipe to clean your face thoroughly, and then the next thing you want to do after that is to apply your primer. I'm using my Kiss Beauty primer, and you're going to apply a generous amount of this on your face and then spread it all out with your hands. So you can use both hands if that is convenient for you. Okay, so spread it all out and everywhere around your face basically. After that, you need to apply your contour. So you're going to use your LA Girl Pro concealer, the darkest shade basically, as your contour. I'm sure you're wondering why I had to start with contour. That is why this is called an underpainting. This is the process you need to follow to enhance your face. So after you've applied this, the next thing you need to do is to apply your blush. Now I'm going to be using my lipstick palette because I don't have a blush palette. And you want to apply a generous amount of this color on your cheekbone. Make sure you're blending it out. You're not just applying it and leaving it there. And put a generous amount of blush, so remember. Also, you can apply your blush on your eyelid. This is something I do and I find it very helpful, so you can actually try that out. Then after that, you are going to use another beauty blender to blend out your contour. So make sure that there is no harsh line between your blush and your contour. So ensure that you're looking out for that when you're blending. Then don't forget your nose. It's very important. Blend that into your eyebrows to make sure your makeup looks natural. So after that, we're going to do our brows. So make sure your brows is looking natural. And because we are trying to achieve a natural looking makeup, we need to conceal our brows with a concealer that is exactly or close to our skin tone. So in this video, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade of Fawn, and I'm using that to conceal my brows. So if you're light skin, make sure you use a light skin shade. So you're just going to use your beauty blender to blend your concealer out, and then after that, you're going to use that beauty blender you use for your blush. You're just going to use that to like blend out any harsh line between your concealer and the blush you applied before. I know you might be worried, how do we tone down these colors? But don't worry, we'll fix that in a bit. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to apply a very light shade of concealer on the inner corner of your under eyes. I don't know if you understand what I said right now, but just do what I'm doing in this video. And then I'm going to use my skin tone or the concealer that is exactly my skin tone on the outer corner of my under eyes. And moving on, I'm going to use my foundation to just apply it here and here, nothing else. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender and blend that out. So I'm going to blend it and also try to blend it on my blush so that I can reduce the intensity of the red. Okay, so make sure you're blending it slowly and softly, and you're spreading it out on your blush as well. Then after that, you're going in to blend your concealer. Start from your forehead, then go to under your lip, and then go to above your lip, and then you can now go to under your eyes. So make sure you start by blending the outer part before you go to the inner part. You can see what I'm doing, right? So now that I'm done with the outer part, I'm going into the inner part, and I'm doing that gently and also spreading it out to my eyelid. Next thing you want to do is to set your concealer. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use my Ezekiel powder palette and mix two colors. Just find your shade and then just set your concealer. You can see I'm also setting the one on my lid. Okay, so just make sure you're killing two birds with one stone. How did they say it? Killing two, yeah, kill two what am I saying? Kill two stone, Jesus. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to carry your contour, your highlighter, and then just blend out on your cheekbone. You can see that my cheekbone is already shining, so just make sure you do this process. All right, the next thing you want to do is to apply your eyeshadow. because I am already loving this look, I don't want to do too much eyeshadow, so I'm just going to do like a wing using my black eyeshadow to just create like a wing on my eyes, and then maybe apply a glitter on my inner corner of my eyes. So now I fix my lashes and I'm glowing like a very beautiful angel. So the next thing you want to do is to contour your nose. My nose needs to be snatched, so you need to do that to your nose as well. And now I'm going to set my face with this powder. I've been using this powder for years. I'm going to just leave the name in the video somewhere, you're going to see it. So I'm going to dab that on my inner corner of my eyes and blend it to the edge of my eyes, just the way I'm doing it. After that, I'm going to my lip liner. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it softly and then blend that out with my hands or my fingers, and then I'm going to apply my lipstick. So using that same lipstick palette, I'm just going to apply this nude color because I don't want to do too much, like I said. So I'm going to blend that out. Then after that, I'm going to set my face with a setting spray. So I'm just going to spray it all over my face and let it dry. But before it dries out, I need to make or reactivate the glow on my face. So I'm going to take my highlighter and just highlight my cheekbone with my beauty blender. I'm also going to use that same beauty blender and just dab all over my face because I'm trying to remove any harsh line that I might have forgotten about or anything, just trying to like blend everything together. So this is how you should look once you're done. Like, this makeup looks so beautiful, guys. I want you guys to try out this method, but before then, like this video, share this video, leave a comment once you're done watching, and subscribe to my amazing channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.